Learning.Social, the first social learning platform in Asia, Middle East, and Africa. It is based on combining social media with online learning, with cloud computing, with mobile technology to create a multi-screen, low-cost, high-volume, high-quality, world-class interactive learning environment for everyone, anywhere, anytime, from any device. It's based on providing a world-class curriculum through a number of channel partners, including mobile operators, banks, companies, schools, universities, and so on. We believe that learning is for life. Whatever stage or age you're at, everyone has a different speed, different pace to learn. So the platform encourages interaction among peers, friends, students, family, educators, so you can get the support you need, and it is accessible from any device and very affordable. It is the first full-fledged social online learning application. It provides social learning with global standards in an easy-to-use environment. It provides a rich, world-class interactive library delivering immersive interaction with content for various age groups. It provides academic support, leads to certification, and very affordable. So the value proposition is to bring world-class learning experience with local academic support to any learner in the world, anytime, anywhere, in a comfortable social environment, accessible from any device at affordable fees. It targets end users through channel partners, as we said, through banks, schools, universities, companies, mobile operators, and other types of companies, targeting employees, managers, school students, university students, parents, and teachers. It has three packages. The first package is the business skills package, having more than 200 online sessions in areas such as business English, leadership, communication, driving operations, entrepreneurship, innovation, creativity, sales and marketing, managing people, and so on. You first log in to the main business skills package, and then you can choose one of these sub-topics like communication, where you have a list of courses, and next to each course, you can see number of comments, learners rating, and performance. And then you can go into a specific course. You can see the social interaction among other users. You can see your own progress, rating, versions. You can access it from both mobile and PC in this case. You can see tutors, where you can send private messages to those tutors, related sessions, and you can start the session. Same thing for primary school, where you have around 750 sessions for various grades 1 to 6, mainly math, English, and then from 4 to 6 you have also science. It's based on an international recognized curriculum in more than 26 different countries. When you go into a specific topic like math, you find various subtopics and then a number of lessons, actually sessions or lessons in each topic. And when you choose one session, again, you have the same environment that you've seen before, and from there you can log in to the session itself. And they are highly interactive, as we'll see later. Also, for secondary school, there are more than 1,350 sessions in math, physics, chemistry, biology, English, and again, same surfing experience. You start from the main page of the secondary school, and then you choose a subject like chemistry, and then you have various subtopics, state of matter, and then within that you have a number of lessons, basic properties of matter, gases, liquids, solid, and so on, and then you choose one of them, solids, and you have a session brief. You can communicate with tutors, you can start the session, you have related sessions, you can also ask questions, attach files, and so on, and log into the highly interactive sessions. These The content is accredited by various international bodies, as we said. Academic support is provided by not only peers but also tutors, multi-languages, depending on which country you're in. And then it's a nice design. When you log in to www.learning.social, you can log in through one of your social media accounts, such as Facebook, Microsoft, Google Plus, or Gmail, LinkedIn, or you can create your own Learning.Social account, and then you can log in. It's designed for various screens, so whatever your screen size is, you go through the same experience. Online library, choose the level, choose the sessions, and you can also access discussions and the content. So surfing around is easy, depending on what kind of screen and operating system you are having. You start with the online library, then you choose the subject, then topics within the subject, then sessions within the topic, then session page, and then the content, and at the end of each session you have learners' results. There are more than 40,000 animations and hundreds of recorded lab videos, especially in science materials. And the content is highly interactive with very high quality graphics and multimedia. Who are we targeting? Individuals, mainly school students, to support their school learning and minimize the need for private tutoring. University students to give them the right skills required in nowadays marketplace and make them market ready. Employees to enhance their knowledge and skills. Parents, teachers, young professionals, and so on. So the entire family can learn, because it has something for the parents, something for the kids. Learners can interact with their friends and colleagues. They can communicate with teachers and other parents as well. For corporates, it's not only providing business skills for the employees, but also providing learning material for their families. So it not only increases the employees' knowledge and skills, but also their satisfaction. For universities, again, universities can have this Learning.Social as an additional learning material for their students of all or different subjects. It gives a practical, context-based rather than theoretical content, where it provides applied learning. It also can target alumni. It can target the families of their current students as a marketing tool for the high school students to come to the university later on, as well as working adults that are seeking some kind of university certification. Schools can use it in various ways: home study, in-class explanations, comprehensive assessment and reporting, private tutoring, individualized learning, and so on. But most importantly, this is a very important change management tool to transform any school into a smart school by using it in different learning activities. For example, at the beginning, a school can start by just using it as a home reference or for home study. So students will have it as kind of an encyclopedia where whenever they need, they can refer to it. Second level is when teachers start giving some assignments from Learning.Social to the students. And then at some later stage, teachers will start using it in class to explain more stuff and enhance interaction and some kind of competition and group work among the students, especially in classes where teachers have at least a projector or a smart board. And then individualized learning. This is a very important topic, because in the same class you have students of various levels. So with Learning.Social, you can give different assignments and different even tasks or jobs to be done in class by students of different levels, so that you can encourage weak students and make them love the material and proceed in progress fast in order to keep with the class pace, as well as give some additional material for strong students to explore and enhance their knowledge and skills. out of class collaboration, it's a zero investment for the school, where the teachers and learners and parents can start collaboration with each other, and this will pave the way for parents' engagement and a smart social learning. So this is a change management process where Learning.Social would guide and coach the school to move step by step towards this kind of modern learning, and thus enhance smart learning at school, at home, where it encourages students to acquire self-learning skills, and at the same time enhance peer-to-peer learning and parents engagement, and also encourage students to work in groups beyond the classroom walls. Also, it enhances smart teaching, where teachers can use it for in-class illustration and group work, create some competition engagement inside the class, individualized learning, as we said before, saving time on explanations and corrections, as well as student tracking. So here, for example, in a math curriculum, usually a grade 8 math teacher would follow the chapters 1, 2, 3, one after the other, but sometimes chapter 3 in grade 8 requires some prerequisite from grade 7 or grade 6, and if the weak students of grade 8 need to come up with the same speed with the class, they need to go back to grade 6 and grade 7 and in order to review, and in this case they need some kind of private tutoring, or they need to buy the books of last year and so on, where in Learning.Social it's a click away, so students or teachers can give assignments from grade 8 or grade 7 or grade 6 to the students of grade 8 in order to prepare them. So it will save time for teachers, it will engage students in interactive class illustrations, it tracks students' performance, and therefore saves time on corrections as well. It helps them implement differentiated learning. It works with online groups and engaged parents, provides 21st century skills to the teachers themselves, and collaborate with other teachers. It helps decrease the private tutoring burden on families by providing some kind of online support and peer-to-peer learning